Life is busy, sometimes cooking a healthy meal feels impossible. Meal prepping is the answer. It saves time and reduces stress. You cook once and enjoy delicious meals all week. Meal prepping helps you eat healthier. You control the ingredients and portions. It can even save you money. Less takeout means more cash in your pocket. Ready to get started? Let's learn how to meal prep like a pro. First, plan your meals. Choose recipes that are easy to make and store. Consider your schedule and how many meals you need. Next, write a grocery list. This prevents impulse buys and ensures you have everything. Check your pantry and fridge first to avoid buying duplicates. Now the fun part, cooking. Set aside a few hours on the weekend. Cook large batches of grains, proteins, and veggies. Let everything cool completely before storing. Finally, pack your meals in reusable containers. Store them in the fridge or freezer. Your healthy meals are ready when you are. Variety is key to enjoying meal prep. Nobody wants to eat the same thing every day. Choose recipes with different flavors and textures. Don't be afraid to experiment with herbs and spices. They add depth and excitement to your meals. A squeeze of lemon or a sprinkle of chili flakes can transform a dish. Get creative with toppings. Fresh herbs, chopped nuts, or a dollop of yogurt add flavor and visual appeal. Remember, meal prepping should be fun and delicious. Start with a simple salad. Combine chopped romaine lettuce, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, and grilled chicken. Pack the dressing separately. Roasted vegetables are another great option. Chop broccoli, carrots, and bell peppers. Toss with olive oil, salt, and pepper. Roast until tender. For a hearty meal, try lentil soup. Sauté onions, carrots, and celery. Add lentils, vegetable broth, and your favorite spices. Simmer until the lentils are cooked through. Finally, don't forget breakfast. Overnight oats are quick and easy. Combine rolled oats, yogurt, milk, and chia seeds. Let it sit in the fridge overnight. Top with fresh fruit and nuts before serving. Meal prepping is a game changer for busy individuals and families. With a little planning and effort, you can enjoy healthy, delicious homemade meals all week long. Give it a try and see the difference it makes in your life.